Today my plan will be to install this catch can. It's from eBay, and as you see there's two inputs, one output, and here we have the drain, which is pretty cool because you just open and you have everything out. So my plan is to, let's go to the car. As you see here, I have input 1, input 2. I'm still waiting on a fitting from this, and I have two AN10s running from here to here, and as you see here, they go in and in. So the sides, the middle one is out, and I'll have another hose on the bottom, and this goes down. As you see here, it's pretty empty, and there is a big hole that goes to the bottom of the car. So this is great because I can put the pan in there, just open this here, and then boom, it's gonna go all down. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. So I got a little bit of a AN10. I guess I have enough. And this goes like this. In. But before going in there, I also got those clamps. So they're AN10 clamps. I mean, if you put a tape in there, it works great. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna push this tool in here so it goes between the holes and the clamp, and I'm gonna start twisting so I have everything going over the clamp, and this is gonna let me go further. So I guess I already did, as I can see in here. Yeah, so see, kinda. So there's a clamp inside. I just need to be able to push. So you can use like a picker like I'm doing here, and just to move the hose to a different position so you can kinda wiggle it. Alright, so now I can see everything right in here, and this would work. So now it's even a little bit tight, so I can push it in there and just tie this thing here. So I'm not gonna do it yet, but yeah, see the difference? This has a clamp in there and this doesn't. Okay, all right, so it goes from here, which I'm gonna give a little extra. It goes through the hole, and it's gonna be around here. It's gonna be from here to around here. So I'm gonna cut this in here also. My two cut marks, and I'm gonna use something that a lot of people would have at home. It's a lock cutter, and it works better for lower hoses with it's like AN6, 4, but yeah, if you squeeze it tight in there, it goes all the way. And just be sure that this is straight and go for it. There you go. This gives you a clean cut, and that's what you need. This sells on eBay, Amazon, the actual plier that would cut this, but you know, I had this home, so I decided to try, and it'll work perfectly. So there you go. Done. So I have my two here. On the large one side is going to be AN10, I mean the fitting, and the other side will be like this. So we can fix this one first, and then we're going to do this guy. So it comes with two self-tapper screws. So I'll find out here. Here seems to be a good spot. Here's alright. So it's gonna be right here. Here's gonna be one of my holes. Nice. So that's done. Nice. That right. Nice. Okay. Got one. Got two. And there you go. This here on the BMW has this piece of rubber, so I can either put this back in there so it doesn't touch this straight, or I can leave like this. It's not sharp at all. There you go. Nice. So now I just gotta screw this guy. Nice. Alright. One down. Second one. For the second one, it's gonna be like this. I'll push this in. Screw it in there. There you go. That's down. This is down. And we're gonna assemble our AN10. So this is the AN10. What we're gonna do is, I really like this coal tool. It's much better than the other ones I have. I tried to cheap out, and dude, there's no comparison. So this is the way to go. Yeah, see, when you put in here, you have no space left. So whatever you put your holes is gonna fit, and it's gonna go straight in. So there you go. Put it in there, and you can look, it's all the way to the end. Easy like that. And now we are of course going to squeeze that thing in there. Alright, so first thing, check to see if this is at the end. Now we're going to start squeezing this guy here, but we need to be sure that we are also pushing in here and here, so this doesn't go in there. What I like to do is, in this case I got a 27mm. It fits perfectly, and I squeeze and push at the same time. So for now, what I'm gonna do with this here, I'm gonna remove the output. I'm gonna shut the output, and I'm gonna output to this here, which should be clean air. So we tie this guy, and that's gonna be it. So usually what we should do with that, can you see? Yeah, right? Usually the output goes to the input, closer to the intake, and gotta be in an angle so it sucks air from here. Because the problem is, you don't want three places pushing air, so you want two, gotta receive air, and this one could suck. And in order to suck, if you have a pipe right here, you have a hole like this, and this is your input of the output in there. So input and intake, output in there on the catch can. So yeah, I guess nothing wrong with installing the catch can. I just think the cars don't have a catch can to save money, and I don't know if emissions and all that stuff. But I mean, this is much better for emissions, I guess. I don't know what the deal is, but anyway, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, make a little comment here if you have anything to say, and I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status.